Hello again folks, and welcome to another video.
Back on the road again.
Back on the road again. Me and Simon are in Llanberis having a pint, and we're in a pub called The Heights, and you'd be pleased to know I've got a pint with a head on today. No headless pints today. We're in Llanberis. We're meeting up with a guy called Danny Rush, and we're going to go on a wild camp up to Dinorwic Quarry near or Anglesey Barracks. We're not too sure yet, but we're going to take a hike up and try and find somewhere suitable to camp over the for the night.
As usual, the weather's.
As usual, the weather is dire. It always rains when we come up here, I don't know. Anyway, we're waiting for Danny to turn up. Gonna meet him for the first time and yeah, go for a wild camp. So we'll wait till he comes and then we'll see you in a bit.
So we've had a customary pint before a camp. Danny's joined us. So we're going to pick up one of the Slate trail paths. Which is a back direction. And we're looking to go to the Anglesey Barracks or somewhere in that area for a wild camp. A couple of points of interest. We left Llanberis, that's Llanberis, and over there is the old Badan Castle.
Night, we started down by the museum. Oh yeah, and you've come up through the... Yeah.
Right then folks, this is the Anglesey Barracks.
Mark, why is it called the Anglesey Barracks? Or why have you been told why it's called the Anglesey Barracks?
I think it's because the slate miners used to come from Anglesey and they used to stay in these little houses, so yeah, I think that's where they get the name from. I could be wrong, but if anyone knows, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm not a fan of it, like. Oh, bullshit, isn't it?
Just come around this corner and there's like an abandoned slate outbuilding. It looks like someone living in it. There's a bit of a tarp shelter, some water, a bit of a chimney stack going on there. So we just skirt around it and make our way around. Look at this is phenomenal. The remnants of the Welsh Slate industry.
This place is massive. Look at it. It is absolutely massive. Snowdon's up there somewhere in the clouds. And we're going up there, and there's like a viewpoint. Sorry, there, we're going top of there, and have a look around, and then see how much further we can go and try and find some camping pitches. I can't believe how big this place is. It's absolutely massive. Until you're here looking at it, the video just doesn't show you how big it really is. You can just go on and on and on up. You know, we haven't got time for that today obviously, but bloody hell, you could spend probably 3 days here and not see it all. It's bloody massive. Simon and Danny up there. Sun's coming out. Yay!
Looks like mountain rescue. Somebody's obviously in trouble or being in trouble. Right, I'm not sure if you can see this, but they call this the Lady of Snowdon. Right, I'll get my finger in there. Just try and get in focus. There's the mouth, nose, eyes. Can you see it? And then the hair is there and there. And if you look at it, it actually looks like Princess Leia, or Leia. Princess Leia it looks like as well. They call that the Lady of Snowdon. As Danny just told me, because he knows more about Snowdon than me.
Some people come out from that cave there just.
Oh, I can see him, yeah.
Yeah, like I say, you can walk through them and it takes you through, and there is some big drop-offs, but you can walk through them.
Are they quite long?
Pardon?
Are they long tunnels or?
Some of them look to be, some don't.
Yeah.
Some look quite short, but I've never actually been in them myself. It's only what I've seen on telly box.
Yeah. It's going to be pretty dark in there as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Parts of it have got run-offs going from them, so it actually brings in a bit of light.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Stay home, diolch. Thanks. Stairway to heaven.
We don't use long coffee like.
Bloody hell, yeah, I'll go in this.
Bodies everywhere. Jeez.
What? Is it? Oh, I can see it, yeah. Seriously? Ah. We just asked those guys to come camping with us. No, I'm joking. Bloody hell, walking up these steps to this old disused mess hall meant to be going to, and it's bloody hard going. But what a view that is. Just wish the cloud had buggered off now. Yeah, we just got to the top of this plateau, and this is the one of the mess huts the slate miners used to use, and you can see you got the timber beams. There's like an old slate bench. Bit of an oven fire. And over here there's even old miners' boots left here as well. And he kindly left me a can of Brewdog as well. Thank you very much. And there's even an old pair of miners' trousers, which were worn back in the day. That's quite an interesting place. And then you come over to the window, and then there's an old teapot, pan. Yeah, very interesting. I find these places really interesting to have a look around in and see how they actually worked and what they lived in back in the day, like, you know. No, it's fascinating. All pitched up. There's my tent. As usual, the Van Gogh Nevis. The Old Faithful. There's Danny's tent, the Lanshan 3F ultralight gear in yellow. Simon's got his 6 Moon Designs Lunar Solo. And look at that for a backdrop. There's the old miners' mess hut there, and I'll show you around. And we've been joined by another load of people. There's 1 tent, 2 tents, 3. So yeah, we're gonna have an awesome night here. Might have a bit of a fire later inside. There's a couple more pitched up round here, and the cloud is clearing a little bit. And there's a Snowdon massif over there. Llanberis down there, and Llanberis. So yeah, I reckon we're going to have a decent night tonight. All the tents are set up. There's people camping everywhere up here, it's crazy. And I wasn't expecting that, to be honest, but anyway, so tonight I'm trying a Wayfarer chilli and rice. Never had it before, never had a Wayfarer meal before, so give this a go. Couple of cans, the old Brewdog Elvis juice. So I'm gonna let this boil now for a few more minutes, and I'm gonna tuck into that then and have some food, because I'm absolutely starving here. So the tent I'm using tonight is my 6 Moon Designs Lunar Solo. As I showed in a previous video, it's been seam sealed because the last time I used it I woke up to a pool of water, so hopefully that's done the trick. I'll have a look at this for a review and reel. And the drop down there, well, it's no one's business, so I'm staying clear of there, that's for sure.
Was in the spring, when spring became the summer, who'd have believed it come along? Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, whoa, whoa, whoa. Good times never seem so good.
So good! So good!
I've been inclined to believe it never would. Oh, no, I count the nights, and it don't seem so lonely. We filled it up with only 2. And when I hurt, it runs off my shoulders. How can I hurt when holding you? Warm, touching warm, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Oh, sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good.
So good! So good!
I've been inclined we believe it never would. Oh no,
Welcome back, guys. I'm off to bed. If I'm getting any sleep. All our Polish friends here are taking over the the miners' mess hall and they're having a party and a disco. So, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Just woken up, yeah, and it's about 20 to 6. Just having a coffee and it's gone really misty up here. You might be able to see. Yeah, there was a lot of mice walking around here last night. Or rats or whatever, you could hear them scurrying around through the night. And I actually saw a mouse running past my tent. And I was eating food, so you obviously knew there was food over here, so he's scurrying around the place like so. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a cup of coffee now. But Danny's still in bed. There's his tent over there. There's Mark's tent. And they were having a party in there. They must have been going on till about 2 o'clock this morning. It's like a bloody discotheque in there. It's pretty noisy as well, to be honest. Well, to be honest, I wasn't expecting all these people to be up here. I never thought it'd be like over 20 people camping up here. I didn't realise it was such a popular spot, to be honest with you. Anyway, kettle's boiled. You have a brew. We're almost packed up, guys. There's Danny packing his tent down. That was it down. The mist still with us. Just have a quick look into the abyss. If I pan around, you can see another tent's popped up here. They've turned up in the middle of the night. I never saw these last night. So we're going to pack up now and head on back down. Right, that brings it into another wild camp. As always, you know the drill by now. Leave no trace. Me, Mark and Danny are going to head back down to Llanberis and we'll see you on the next one. So that, guys. There's some fighting down there and he's going to sort it up now.
He's a daddy, isn't he?
I've never seen so many mountain goats in one place, have you?
Not in one hit.
The friggin' horns on them.
two down there having a bit of a barney. Or three even.